Assalamu alaikum friends, here is a graphic templates. Total folder is 105. That's mean a 105 bundles. Okay, and these are protected password. In this app, go to Google Play Store, buy now for lifetime, and Apple user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, WhatsApp number in description. Here is 11.3 GB, but don't worry, I will compress it in some parts. I think 4 parts. Okay, so here is a many files: fonts, images, mockup, PSD file, APS file, and PNG. Here is 3 color badge in APS, AI, and PNG. And next is a invitation mockup. In PSD file you can import your own photo, or invitation you can use as a photo frame. Next is, here is a 4 business card mockup, like, or you can write any office advertisement or a school or college advertisement, because here a pen or pencil diary in background. Next is black photo frame. Okay, and here is a cracked wall logo in PSD file, Victor logo. Here is CDR file for Adobe, sorry, CorelDRAW X4 and X6. Next is 7 coffee mockup. Wow, open in Photoshop, and your design is here. Write anything or import your logo. For example, I write my channel name, Sheri SK, signature font like this one, color black. Okay, Control S, saving. Wow, you see my name is here. You can write anything, or you can adjust your logo, Victor logo. Okay, here is 7 files. Next is American badge preview. You can write or you can remove it, edit it, sorry. Same thing here. These are in PSD, sorry, Photoshop, sorry, Adobe Illustrator file, AI, and APS. I don't know what is this. Volume 1. Okay, here is a geometric high resolution, I think a wall background. Here is a label and badge, APS file, PSD file. Wow, amazing. Just you can rename it, badge 2. Okay, here is business card wine, and here is a business card mockup. Wow, like a label, cloth label, base package, PSD, and here is a font, cloud business card, frames. You can use as a wedding invitation frames or cards, newsletter voucher, and these files are Adobe Adobe InDesign. Old fashioned business card. Okay, and here is a save the date postcard template. Okay, paperback hard business card. Okay, and here is a, wow, you can use as a in wedding card, healthy living blogging website theme. Okay, handmade frames, hand draw Victor elements. Wow, amazing. Spoke, PST, PST. Wow, so many details here, many things. Okay, password in this app, go to Google Play Store, buy now in $2.99 for a lifetime, all password there. Subscribe me, take care, Allah Hafiz.